Hi guys, I'm here with Jojo and he's a master coder, but for some reason he doesn't know how to code Scratch. Is that right, Jojo?
Yes,
We can't see you, so you need to talk.
yes, that's correct.
Why is that so?
Because I'm just new to programming with Scratch.
So you have never tried Scratch?
Nope.
You just start from the advanced, then you like work your way up, not like from the beginning. Then you
It's just different. So Scratch is just a different language.
okay, but it's the simplest language.
Oh, let's get started.
Okay, first we enter the website name, which is Scratch, which is S8. Bruh, if you type it like that, you're gonna have to spell it out.
Okay.
Because it's like small. So spell it out.
Scratch dot
No, like
S
spell out Scratch.
S C
No,
R
like spell out Scratch to the microphone.
SCRATCH dot MIT.edu.
Enter. Okay, let's sign in to our account. Press sign in. Then our username is say underscore Q. And our password is, well, we can't tell you because it's confidential. So why is your password wrong? Jojo, you signed in beforehand. Now you can't get the password right. Yay, we got it. Okay, so now we are going to create a project. So we press create. And I'm speaking very loudly because my mouth is very close to the mic. Eh. We can get rid of the cat sprite. Press delete the trash button. Then I press the untitled. Press it, highlight it, delete it, and let's change the title to Catch Me because we're making a catch. Okay, then we just click elsewhere to confirm it. Then now we want a backdrop. Let's go click the backdrop. You see the scenery thing. So there's a stage, then below, move down. Yeah, there. Then you choose a backdrop. Then let's say we want it outdoors, because we're catching stuff. Up, 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 outdoors. Then we scroll down to see what's the most suitable backdrop. Let's have Jojo pick it out. Jojo, which backdrop do you think we should use?
Uh, let's have a blue sky.
Blue sky it is. Now we need the sprites. Let's pick out a bowl and an apple. It's the same. It's beside the backdrops button. Yeah, press that. Then you press apple. Yeah, press. Then you click sprites again. Choose a sprite. Choose a sprite. Choose. Then you want a bowl. Down. Yeah. Yeah. Click it. Click it. Click it. Click it. Now we want the bowl to start on top, just on top of the dirt. Move down, move down, move down. Just on top. Yeah, in the middle of the screen. That means x equals 0. Okay, now you go to events. left, left, left. Yeah, 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 yeah. Events. Then you press when green flag, click, press. Okay, no, no, press and hold. Press and hold, and you move it to your workstation. Your workstation is basic. Okay, your workstation is this entire thing. So then we want the bowl to always start there when we press the green flag. So we go to motion because it controls your movements. Then we go to there's below go to random position. There's a go to X blank, go to Y blank.
Which one do we choose?
Yeah, that one.
This one?
Yeah, then it's automatically set to the position that the bowl is currently on.
Oh.
Do you understand what's happening so far?
Uh-huh. When you click the green flag, then it goes to X equals 0 and Y equals -1.
Why don't we try it? So you move the bowl, the random part of the screen.
Here,
Just move it to random part of the screen. Then we press your block that you just created.
here.
See, it always goes back. Now we want the apple to be the same size or smaller than the bowl, right? So let's go to apple. Let's click the apple sprite.
How to click the apple sprite?
You see the below the
Oh, here.
yeah. Click it.
Okay.
Okay, this is the apple scope. Now there's nothing yet because we haven't done anything with the apple scope.
Uh-huh. So what do we do?
Uh-huh,
The
uh-huh,
apple code.
uh-huh. So make the apple smaller by looking. So you look at the size. There's the size. Then you make it smaller, like trial and error. So we're gonna try and error for you.
50.
50. That's too small, right? Do you think that's too small, Jojo?
I think that's okay. Use it to move.
The okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay, now we want the when green flag click events. Remember?
Events.
You remember
Uh-huh.
events? Oh, and by the way, after all this, right? If we actually get a lot of views, you're gonna see Jojo doing a scratch test after this. After this all lessons. You guys want that? Okay, so you press green flag, click, press and drag to your workstation. Then you want it to go to random position, right?
Go to motion.
Yeah. So you go to motion. Then then when green flag click, then you go to random position. See? There's a go to random position.
Oh, here.
Yes.
So put it here.
Yeah. So you click it out. Click it to test it out. Click, click, click. So
Oh.
Apple always goes to a random position, right?
Uh-huh.
But that's not what we want. Because if the apple always goes to a random position, we want it to start from the sky and drop down.
Yes.
I am I right?
Yes, we don't want it to start at the middle of the page. So how do we make it start from always the top?
Why don't we switch positions? Then you're the one like talking and stuff.
Okay.
Now you're the narrator. Now
Okay.
Jojo.
So how do we make Apple start from the top of the screen?
So then we have to set y. Let's say how high do we want it? We want it about this high. So let's say set y to 168. So now when you go to random position, it always starts at the top of the screen.
Oh, that's what we want.
Yeah, that's what we want. Now we have to make it go down, right?
Yes, the apple need to fall down.
Then we have forever, and then we have the when green flag clicked. So we have another block so that it's organized. It's not really that messy and everything. What do you think, Jodo?
Okay, so it's another portion of the script to make it do something forever.
Yep.
Okay.
So then we want it to wait 1 second, and then we want it to clone, right? So that there's more than one apple.
Oh, there's more than one apple that appears each time.
Yup. But then we need to find the clone block. Clone block. Clone block. Create clone of myself. Let's change this to 2 seconds. No. How many seconds should it be when a
Um,
new apple falls? How many seconds?
let's do 2 seconds.
2 seconds. Create clone of myself. So technically, we don't want you to show the apple at the start of the game, right? Do we?
We
Do
can show
we?
one apple.
Yeah, we only show one. So let's take this out. Then we just to hide. When create clone of myself. When I start as a clone. Now we have this block. Go to RAM position. Then we will we will RAM position. So now we need the show block just to make sure that it shows when you start as a clone. So now we need to make it fall. But how do we do that? We're back to the motion because it's a motion, right?
Uh-huh.
So then we have to
Change the Y position somehow. You change Y by some value.
like 1 sec. Let's see whether there's an option here. No.
Is it the
Mm,
change?
yeah, but that's like immediately change. I need to find the block. There's like no.
Is it the weight?
Oh yeah. So you change, change Y. Now you want it to go down. So it's
Just by one?
by one is like this is not by one.
Okay, -1. Okay.
This is like way too.
Oh, it's too slow.
Okay, so let's change by -10.
Okay.
What do you? So then we want to wait a while. So control. So then if you go to the top, you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You repeat
Until Y is a certain value.
until so repeat. Okay, so change. Then we're sensing. Repeat until touching itch. So then now it's
So the edge is of the screen.
I don't know why this doesn't work. Repeat until touching edge.
Oh, because the edge
Oh
is
yeah,
touching the
because the
top
edge
edge.
is touching the top edge.
So we have to set Y to be a bit lower. Let's do. Okay, that looks okay.
Let's try it now.
Ooh, the apple dropped. That looks like what we want.
Is it too fast though?
A little bit. Let's do half, -5. Okay, looks okay. What's next?
So technically we want it like or because we want it like other touching bowl.
Ah, if it's touching the bowl. This is sensing touching the top one, first one.
What do you think we need next?
We need to.
Do we need a if block?
If it touches the bowl, are we going to keep score or not keep score? Or no score? If you touch the bowl, then
We can work on the score later.
what later? So if you touch the bowl, then the apple disappears.
If touching bowl, then we're gonna
What are you going to do when the apple touch the bowl?
let's send a message.
Where would the message go to?
Hmm?
Where would
The message will go to everyone in the stage.
Oh,
Big cold key. So we're gonna have this from the start. So we're gonna have a forever block. Then say when I receive message.
oh, you'll send a message to all the blocks.
When I receive message one, then I don't know how to do this because I can't like put it here.
You it's by itself, right? It's a starting because of the shape of the block.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's the start of the.
Then I just receive message one. Then
What happens when you receive message one?
let's just not have lives and let's not have lives and just like die when you
Oh, that's
when
also
you
is
drop an apple.
one time. Okay, so the game stops if.
Then
What if you broadcast a message that the game is over? If the then we should do the touching edge, right, instead of bowl.
then stop.
So if it touches the edge, then the game stops.
Stop this script.
So you have to change it to be touching the edge. Eh? Yep. It. Then we don't need the broadcast for now. Then we change this to touching the edge. That means that you didn't catch it with the bowl. Okay, will this work?
But then we need a if touching bowl because if you touch bowl, then you get 1 point.
Oh, but can we
So
test?
first we need to have a variable. Let's make a variable and let's have it for all sprites and name it score. So then we need another green flag click. Then we have another forever block. And what do you think is next?
If touching bowl. Sensing. Then we can increase the score. Uh, Change variable by 1. What do we name our variable? Score. Change score by 1. Okay. So if it touches the bowl, okay. So how do we move the bowl? Uh, Stop this script or everything.
Let's just not have life so
Oh,
that they can continue playing any time.
okay.
Wait, if touching itch, then wait, why aren't they hiding? Why aren't they hiding?
Uh,
Oh, because so
it's
this
a
must
clone.
be,
Is it for the
yeah, it
clone
must be
only?
for the clone. So we need to throw this back and then start as a clone. Okay, now let's try. So reach the bottom.
Yay! It disappeared. So it's hiding.
But actually, there's a lot of apples here.
Just that it's all hidden.
Okay, so now we need to be able to move the bowl.
How are you going to move the bowl? Are we going to move the
You're supposed to be the narrator.
Are we going to move the bowl using the mouse or the keyboard?
You're supposed to be the narrator.
How are we going to move the bowl? Is it a motion or control? Is it motion? I think it's motion, right?
The key.
Oh, sensing the keys. Oh, so we can go left and right. Right arrow and left arrow key. I know what I'm going to do with the if statement. You're going to move the x coordinate by a certain value.
But what should be the value?
Left is by -5 and right is +5. Okay, how do we test this if it works? -5. Oh, so you're pressing the keys and the ball is moving to the left and the right.
Should we be able to move it up?
Nope, only left and right for now.
Do you think it's too slow, too fast, just right?
I think just right. Can you enable the apples as well? Okay, you have got the apple, but the score is not increasing. I think we need to check the apple code. The apple sprite. Okay. So when the bowl touches the apple, but then the apple doesn't go into hiding mode.
Because we didn't add height.
Oh, but it's for the clone, right? You need to do it for the clone. This needs to be for the clone. When I start as a clone. Okay, will this work? Where are the apples? Oh, there it is. Where's the next apple? Oh, our score increased by one. Oh, you made it. Oh, three. Oh, miss. Four. Oh, looks like our code is working. Yay! oh, Scratch is so fun. Fun coding. Okay, is our project saved?
I just saved.
Nice. So what do you, what?
So maybe we should add a game end.
Yeah, when does the game end? How would this game end? Maybe just once the apple reaches the edge, then the game will end.
Hmm.
But what is going to hide? Everything going to hide.
Nope.
Uh,
So when I receive message one,
uh-huh.
then we're gonna add a different backdrop. So let's paint a backdrop. We're gonna paint. We're gonna have it black.
So what's the rectangle? The rectangle is the
The parts shown on the screen.
oh, okay. Okay, a bit more on the bottom left and the bottom right. Okay, we got a black screen.
Then now we're gonna add some text.
Handwriting. Game over. Oh, what's
Oh
your
wait,
text
cause
color?
it must be white.
How do you change the color? Okay. Game.
Why is it red?
Uh, can you choose a color? Oh, I think it moved. The slider of a saturation moved back to. Okay. Okay, so that's the backdrop. So how do we change this? Make this backdrop appear. Switch to backdrop 2. Ah, okay. So the initial one where the green flags when the game starts, right? So that's we want the blue sky. Aha. So
That's purple. Wait, what?
oh, what
Wait.
happened?
Edge. But it was not touching the edge, was it?
I don't think so. Now it did. Oh, okay.
What?
Oh, because you hide the apple, but it's still touching the edge. Was it?
Yeah.
That means the apple is still touching the edge.
So what's happening now? Let's just remove this. I think it's
I think you can. Can we change the backdrop when the apple reaches the edge? Can we go back to the apple? Can we move the change backdrop to the apple sprite? So when the
then let's just
change the backdrop, then
just change your score. Change score by -1. Wait, what? What's happening?
because the apple is still there, but it's just hidden.
Oh yeah, because then it's still deducting.
Can we? What other options do we have besides hiding? Can we remove? Can we
No,
remove the
no
apple?
need. Let's just remove this altogether. So now it's just a normal game of catch. So this is a pretty simple project that you can try yourself. You just need to you don't need to download anything. It's just a website. Just enter in the website, then yeah, it's all done.
Okay. I think it's a good first project for your Scratch game.
For your scratch.
My first game.
For JoJo's scratch.
Okay.
Should we make it public?
Okay. Yeah. We can make it public for others to play with this game.
Wait, is it already public?
I think so. Do you save the game? Okay. Left and right.